Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, KT, and today I am back with a brand new video! Oh my gosh, yes, I am back from the dead. I have resurrected and I am here, and I have filmed this beautiful Cranberry summer easy glam for you guys, and I'm super duper excited to be back on YouTube, and I have so many things planned for this year, and summer's coming up, so there's gonna be so many different things to film, and I'm really excited. But enough of me rambling, let's get on to the video. So I have applied a base to my lids, and I'm just going to be taking my powder brush without anything on it and applying it to my lids. I had already finished my face makeup because that part's boring. Nobody wants to see that. So I wanted to get right into the eyes. So to start, I'm going to be taking the Naked 3 palette and my Scrub blending brush and putting it in Limit. And I'm just going to be blending Limit into my crease as my transition shade, and I'm going to be blending this out very well because the only way eyeshadows will blend is if the transition shade is also blended. So I'm going to be popping this in to both of my eyes, obviously. Taking the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and using my Kylie brush and dipping into Summer Yum. This color is my literal go-to color right now. Like, it is so pretty and it's perfect for like the summer, and it's getting warm out, so you know, summer basically. And I'm just gonna be blending this into Limit and making sure you really blend them out before you add more color, because that's the most important thing, is making sure that it's blended before you add too much color, because then it gets difficult. So we're just going to keep blending and keep adding Summer Yum in and keeping switching brushes and shades to blend so that it doesn't get too messy. And I'm super excited because this summer is going to be insane. I'm going to be vlogging almost every day of summer, so you guys can all see, you know, like what's kind of like going on in my life. But I'm gonna start making more videos now that lacrosse is over, because I am a lacrosse player and it's over now. So now we have Summer Yum and Limit blended into the crease, looking cute, looking good. So now I'm going to darken up my crease. I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. I'm going to be going in with so I'm going to be going in with Jax. It's like a red, it's a really deep red. So I'm going to be using this shade. I'm going to be putting it in the lower V and my crease to deepen it up and like give it some depth there. And wow, I love her. She's beautiful. I haven't done makeup in so long. I forgot how fun this is. Like, I really did. Like, now I'm going back in with Summer Yum just to kind of blend it all together. We have our cranberry-ish looking eyes. I think I want to go a little bit deeper than this, so I'm going to go back in with the Jax color. I'm going to do a pink, like a light pink. This pink. It's from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. And now I think I want to go even deeper than this. So I'm going to be using Chip. It's more of a brown, but I really want to deepen this up right here. Oh yes. And so I'm going to be putting it in my crease, but I'm just going to pop on my lashes and maybe some liner, and I'll be so now I have my eyelashes on. I don't have any eyeliner on, but I decided to go, you know, without the eyeliner because in the summer it gets hot and eyeliner runs. Now I'm going to be doing my contour, and I'm just coming off of a spray tan, so if you can see my neck, it looks kind of gross, but I'm going to be using the Too Faced Little Black Book of Bronzers. I'm going to be using the Chocolate Soleil with my Real Techniques sculpting brush. So I'm just going to put this in like the depths of my cheeks and kind of like blend it upwards, not blending downwards because we want to really sculpt it. Wow, there is glue in my eye. So I'm just going to keep blending this in. And we don't want to go too dark because we are adding another shade, but we want to go dark enough that you can tell that we're sculpted because we're fake. I'm going to also put it on my forehead, my temples, to give myself, you know, look a little bit more tan than I am. And then I'll be taking my Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number, but it's like, what is that called? Angled. It's like an angled bronzer brush. And I'm going to be going in with the dark Chocolate Soleil and the Endless Summer and kind of like mixing those two, using more of the Endless Summer because the dark Chocolate Soleil is really like orangey, and just putting that on top of where like my highlight would go and kind of blending that in with the Chocolate Soleil. So that's our bronzer, and last but not least we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette again for our highlight. Now I know these are eyeshadows, but I am really loving recently using Beam as a highlighter. So Beam is the second shade in the palette, and it like, I don't know, I really love it as a highlighter. Like, it's beautiful. And also my boyfriend has my Anastasia palette, so we had to make do. And so we're just gonna plop this on. We're not gonna go too wild with our highlight because it is a eyeshadow. Last, I am going to take Beam and put it in my inner corners to brighten up my inner corners, and then my brow bone to brighten up my brows. So this was a really quick tutorial on like a cute summer like cranberry-ish glam that you guys can do easy at home, and I'll link all the products that I used in the description. The eyelashes that I'm wearing, what eyelashes am I? They're Ardell Wispies, I think. I don't know, my friend got them for prom and gave me some, so I'm wearing those. And so like, it's glad to be back on YouTube. Like, I'm really excited to show you guys what I have for you guys. Like, I have so many ideas and so many trips that I can videotape, but I'm so excited, so I can't wait for you guys to see them. Thank you so much for watching and coming back to my channel after the 1.5-year break that I took. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on social medias as well, I'll be linked down below, and I hope to see you guys next week.